In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase part of an image in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to quickly remove unwanted objects or clean up edges so your design looks polished and professional. We'll begin inside Canva by opening a template. You can choose any size or style that fits your project, like a social post, a presentation slide, or a custom canvas. Opening a template gives you a workspace where your edits will be easy to preview in context. Next, insert an image onto the canvas. You can upload your own photo or pick one from Canva's library. Drag it into place so it's clearly visible. If it snaps into a frame, that's fine. Just make sure you can select the image itself for editing. With the image selected, look for the eraser tools in the editing panel. Click on Eraser to access the object removal options, then choose Magic Eraser. This tool lets you paint over the area you want to remove, and Canva will intelligently blend the background to fill in the space. Before you start brushing, adjust the brush size. Use a smaller brush for detailed edges and a larger one for broad areas. If you're working on fine lines or tight corners, zoom in to be more precise. A quick size tweak can save time and improve the result. Now, left-click, hold, and drag your mouse over the part of the image you want to erase. Shade the entire area you want removed, making sure you cover to the edges without overlapping important parts you want to keep. When the area is fully shaded, click Erase to process the change. Canva will analyze the selection and remove it. Give it a moment to update. You should see the object disappear and the background fill in naturally. If anything remains or looks a bit rough, brush over the leftovers to refine the result. Sometimes the first pass isn't perfect, especially around complex edges. Carefully paint the remaining bits, then click. Erase again to apply the cleanup. Once you're happy, click the X to close the eraser tools and return to the main editor. This locks in your changes so you can keep designing without the tool overlay. Finally, resize the image to fit your layout. Drag the corner handles to scale proportionally and position it where it complements your design. If needed, align it with other elements for a clean composition. That's it. Open a template, insert your image, use Magic Eraser with a well-sized brush, refine as needed, close the tool, and resize the image to finish your design.